Your roof is one of the most important parts of your home. It protects your family, your belongings, and your investment from the elements while playing a major role in energy efficiency. For homeowners in Macomb, working with experienced roofing professionals can make a significant difference in both safety and comfort. Macomb Roofing Experts bring specialized knowledge, proper techniques, and long-term solutions that help homes perform better year-round. Protecting your home from structural damage. A roof's primary function is to protect the structure beneath it. Over time, exposure to rain, snow, wind, and temperature changes can weaken roofing materials and create vulnerabilities. Macomb Roofing Experts know how to identify early signs of damage such as loose shingles, compromised flashing, or weak decking. Addressing these issues promptly helps prevent water intrusion, rot, and costly structural repairs, keeping your home safe and sound. Preventing leaks and moisture-related issues. Water intrusion is one of the most common threats to home safety. Even small leaks can lead to mold growth, insulation damage, and weakened framing. Roofing experts in Macomb use proper installation and repair techniques to ensure water is directed away from vulnerable areas. Their attention to detail helps create a watertight roofing system that protects your home from moisture-related hazards. Improving storm resistance and weather protection. Macomb homes experience a range of weather conditions, including heavy rain, snow, ice, and strong winds. Roofing experts understand how local weather impacts roofing systems. By using appropriate materials and installation methods, Macomb roofing professionals help homes withstand storms more effectively, reducing the risk of damage and improving overall safety. Enhancing energy efficiency through proper roofing. Your roof plays a critical role in regulating indoor temperatures. Poor insulation, ventilation, or damaged roofing materials can allow heat to escape in winter and enter in summer. Macomb roofing experts ensure roofs are properly insulated and ventilated. This helps maintain stable indoor temperatures, reduces strain on heating and cooling systems, and improves overall energy efficiency. Sealing air leaks that affect comfort. Gaps in roofing systems can allow air to leak in and out of the home. These leaks create drafts, uneven temperatures, and higher energy use. Professional roofing services focus on sealing these gaps. For Macomb homeowners, this results in improved comfort and a more consistent indoor environment. Using high-quality, durable materials. Roofing experts have access to high-quality materials designed to last longer and perform better. These materials offer improved resistance to wear, moisture, and temperature fluctuations. For Macomb homes, durable roofing materials contribute to both safety and energy efficiency by maintaining performance over time. Supporting proper ventilation. For healthier homes, proper roof ventilation helps regulate moisture levels and prevents heat buildup in the attic. Macomb roofing experts design ventilation systems that improve airflow, reduce condensation, and support better indoor air quality. Reducing long-term maintenance and repair costs. A professionally installed and maintained roof experiences fewer problems over time. This reduces the need for frequent repairs and emergency fixes. For Macomb homeowners, working with roofing experts means fewer surprises and greater peace of mind. Increasing overall home value. A safe, energy-efficient roof enhances a home's value and appeal. Buyers often look for homes with well-maintained roofing systems. Macomb roofing experts help homeowners protect and enhance their investment through quality workmanship. A smart choice for Macomb homeowners. Working with Macomb roofing experts improves both home safety and energy efficiency. Their knowledge, attention to detail, and commitment to quality help protect your home while enhancing comfort. For Macomb homeowners, professional roofing services are an investment in long-term safety, efficiency, and peace of mind.